Hi guys. So I have added all the videos in the Power BI playlist so you can learn step by step without missing anything. These video are the combination of the previous video or previous Power Query or Power BI tutorials. So if you missed that videos, watch it first to understand this concept clearly. So let's start today's topic, appending file from the folder. So in this video, you will learn how to append all files from the folder in the Power BI using Power Query with automatically combine multiple files into dataset for the real project example. So in front of you, if you click get data or in the Power Query, click the data and go little down, click on the more, go there in the file folder and folder, select the folder path. Remember, not select the file on the path, on the select the folder only. Okay, and then okay. So it will combine together automatically. Let's suppose your file come later on, so it will come automatically when you refresh it. I'll open the Power BI query and give the real example of it. So this is the Power Query, right? So I'll delete it, that helping file. Okay, it is not edited. Let it be. So let's suppose you delete the file, or you are not able to delete it. And if you let's do it. See, you will get an error, right? Close it. And if you, let's suppose any 2023 file would come in that folder, it will not come. You need to go manually and update that. So we require to fetch all the file from the folder and combine it together, right? So let's try to delete that file. Okay, let's try to delete this file also. Now we can delete it, right? Let's delete this first. Yep, and deleted this one. Fine. So we have the in a Power Query. In the Power Query, there is a new source, and then the Power BI front end there would be the get data, more, and select the folder, right? Because we are fetching the file from the folder, all the file from the folder. Click the folder, connect, give the path where is the folder located. So this time my file is located here in the I think documentation. Yep, this is the sales data. Click here. This is the path of my file, and okay. See, now pop-up will come here. This one. So this is the attribute 20, 21, 22. All files are coming here. Okay. And if you click the combine, it will combine. It will combine is a transform data. Let's combine in the transform data. It will combine it automatically. I'll show it. Let's process. See, the first file is the all combined file. If you click the drop down, so we'll see which file you selected and located in the file, in the folder, right? So I'll click on OK. It is fetching here in this, right? See, all the file here. If you click and check the drop down, more load, see, all file here, right? In the 2020 and 2021, where is it? This one, and 2022 in the last, right? And okay. So all file combined together. If you require the source name, it's okay. If not, we can delete or remove it from it. So these are the file. So now in the earlier one, when we select the file manually, so if any file come automatically in that folder, it's not combined together. If I'm selecting from the folder, so it will come automatically and select the file when you refresh it, right? So simply right click and you will check here. You can rename if you want, right? So this is the today topic, and the next topic I will discuss about more. I'll open it. So we'll discuss about the data source in the next topic. So stay tuned. See you in the next video. Thank you.